Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the old Toyota HJ60 60 series Land Cruiser. Here we have a big problem. There was a American muscle. Here we have a different problem. We don't have any starter engine anymore. Someone have been under and stole it where the car have been parked. So now we have a problem trying to drag it to start and see what's happening. A friend of me who have had a car like this is helping me here, and he's very afraid I'm not going to be able to start it for how to drag it a long time, and I'm afraid he's right, but we're going to try. So we have filled up air in the tires, and we have put in batteries, and we put other 120 series Land Cruiser for drag it. Yeah, we have to see. Yeah, I'll try to drag this car to start it, but it's been standing for so long, so we couldn't. Just take it down to the asphalt and everything, and use two Land Cruisers. Use the silver one here up on the place here, and use the other gold one down on the other place. It's just hopeless. The starter engine in this car was working, and then one night some guy had been under it where it was standing and stolen it. So from under the car he had been gone under it and stole starter engine, and I haven't been under there to check if it just cut the wires or whatever, I don't know. So now we have the problem. I can't start the car, I can't move it where I want, just a lot of problems. So I'm not sure what to do. I need either I just sell it as it is, or I just have to get it into a storage place and see what I can find more parts. It's just, for the moment, it just feels bad that this nice car, or could be a nice car, is standing here getting ruined. So, sorry. I was hoping to make a video where we started it and I could put it in the tent and everything, but it didn't go that way. Now I'm tired. I have problems with the different things here now, so I just have to relax. But thank you for coming by. Please give me some good advice and some positive feedback, so I can feel that I want to go on. So thank you. Yeah, just sitting beside the 60 Cruiser now. It's just a lot of it is just falling to pieces. Need a lot of help. But what I'm going to check is what happened under the starter engine. How far in the front are that? What is this? From that. How far is in here are the starter engine? Okay. There's a lot of connectors. What is all this? for the slave cylinder and the clutch. But which one of this is going for the starter engine? There's a lot of connectors, so it's disconnected. It seems to be up there somewhere. Not easy to say. Oh. I just have to find out. The best would be just to start to pick this car apart. This is up. See here, if you can see it. It's shot. This needs a lot of repair. I'm not even sure if we can safely remove it from the frame, or if we just have to weld it under here. Shit. I'm not sure the whole car should have been dipped in acid to clean out some shit. Yeah. It's not that many connectors, so should go to the starter engine. It's difficult. I have to try to find out more. So, but please come back. Please give me some feedback now, because this is too sad. Someone being under here just stealing it. So, and for those who know who it is, because it had to be to a car like this, and it's not that many of them in Norway, please give me information. I have to find a way to get this back.